Polar bears are unique creatures that live on Arctic ice. In the Arctic, it's very cold, windy, snowy, and rainfall is scant. The sun sets in October on the Arctic ice and doesn't rise until February. Winter temperatures vary from -40 to -50 degrees Fahrenheit. Yearly precipitation, including melting snow, is about 15 to 25 centimeters or 6 to 10 inches. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores. Males, or boars, weigh about 772 to 1,433 pounds. They are about 2.5 to 3 meters long. Females, or sows, weigh about 331 to 551 pounds. They are about 1.8 to 2.5 meters long. Their slender bodies and longer necks and heads are different than most bears. Their coat color varies from pure white to yellow to light brown. Polar bears have large paws that act like snowshoes, spreading out the bear's weight as it moves over ice and snow. Its head is relatively small and oblong compared to other bears. Its skin, only visible on the nose and foot pads, is black. This gives the bear the ability to absorb sunlight energy to warm its body. Polar bears are said to live 15 to 18 years in the wild, but 30 years in captivity. For a polar bear's diet, they feed on almost exclusively ringed seals. They are also known to eat walrus, beluga whale, and bowhead whale carcasses, birds' eggs, and rarely vegetation. A polar bear's niche is that of a specialized predator of seals. Polar bears are the most carnivorous of all the bear species. It feeds primarily on the fat of ice seals. The remains are left for many other Arctic wildlife species, giving polar bears a vital role in their ecosystem. The amount of offspring that an adult polar bear can produce varies. Twins are most common, but they can still have singlets and triplets depending on the mother's body condition. Adults have no natural predators except other polar bears. Cubs less than 1 year old sometimes are prey to wolves and other carnivores. Newborn cubs may be cannibalized by malnourished mothers or adult male polar bears. Climate change has caused polar bears to become endangered. Ongoing and potential loss of their sea ice habitat means that polar bears have reduced access to food, drop in body condition, lower cub survival rates, increase in drowning, increase in cannibalism, and loss of access to denning areas. Polar bears were listed as a threatened species in the U.S. under the Endangered Species Act in 2008. There are said to be 20,000 to 25,000 existing worldwide today. Part of 19 generally recognized subpopulations, 8 are currently declining, 3 are stable, 1 is increasing, and the other 7 does not have enough data for scientists to make a statement or a prediction.